Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And today we are going to talk about these gorgeous undercut and ladies shaving their head trend that we have been seeing. So now more than ever, I feel like women are just getting liberated and they are cutting their hair. They are shaving their heads and they are not afraid to try something different. These hairstyles are very edgy, they're modern, and there's also been a term that has kind of circulated for the girls that are like cutting all their hair off, and that is called baldy. Okay, so that is pretty much bald hair and daddy combined, baldy. So these baldies are shaving their head and they are not caring what you think about their style. You know, women are just so liberated with their hair. They're dyeing it these bold, exotic colors and they're really getting creative. They are finding freedom within their hairstyle. They are expressing themselves through the use of their hair. And I absolutely love this trend. I love all of the undercut looks that I'm seeing now. I love the bald shaven styles with the colors. Love this very close cut pixie with the pink. I mean, these hairstyles are beyond gorgeous. Another trend that I'm noticing is that a lot of designs are being created. Like this zigzag pattern that we see here in the form of an undercut. This is very pretty. Love the fact that she can still rock a ponytail with that. And then here we have more of an undercut bob variation. This is very edgy and cool as well. You can mix up these hairstyles with highlights, ombre color, pretty much whatever you desire when it comes to these short shaven styles. Here we have an undercut pixie style, as well as more of a blonde undercut. So she's able to kind of keep that up herself. And then this one on the left does feature more of a design. This is very cool. Love that pop of blue that she has. If you guys haven't checked out my full blue hair video, definitely check that out because another trend that we're seeing is very bold color and blue is definitely hot right now. So here is a completely shaven cut on the right. This is very cool, very edgy. We're also seeing a lot of shaven bleached heads as well. Loving that pop of green. Once again, the undercut with the ponytails are very in. Love the pink colors that we're seeing as well. I think adding the pink hues to the kind of undercut and shaven styles really kind of adds in a bit of femininity overall to these looks. But it's very courageous to me to cut all of your hair off to begin with, and to just dye it a bold color just takes things up further up a notch in my eyes. I absolutely love this trend. So here we have another example of an undercut. She is going to be dyeing the hair as well. Very cute. So let me know how you guys feel about this trend in the comments below. Have you shaven your hair? Is it something that you are willing to do? Something that you would want to do? Did you feel liberated when you did it? Leave me your thoughts in the comments below and I will see you in the next one.